Nature provides essential resources and services that are crucial for human well-being. It offers clean air and water, fertile soil for growing food, and raw materials for shelter and clothing. Spending time in natural environments can improve mental health, reduce stress, and enhance physical health through activities like hiking and gardening. Nature also inspires creativity, fosters a sense of peace, and provides opportunities for recreation and education. Additionally, ecosystems like forests and wetlands help mitigate climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide and protecting against natural disasters.